Like this? Oof. I can still use the spoon, right?
Yep.
Okay. Oof. Just waiting for this to. Do I have to crack it open?
Mm-mm.
So it just goes in there?
Just keep stirring it.
I can't really stir. Okay, so we're doing a hot cocoa bomb. And I've never done one of these before. So if any of you have, liked the video, and if you haven't, subscribe. Ooh. Feel that? That's good.
Chocolatey.
I got the full chocolate one. This is hot milk, right? Hot milk. Bubbles? Look at the bubbles. The bubbles. Ooh, it has cocoa powder and marshmallows. Look at that.
Break open.
Yes, it broke up into a bunch of marshmallows, cocoa powder, and it already had the oh my gosh. Look at that. We did not edit this because you guys know all I have is splice, and I'm not a good splice editor. Gosh, spoon, it looks too chocolatey almost. Let's get a closer up on that hot chocolate. I just almost want to take a sip right now. I can't. I think I'm going to actually get some of the hot chocolate. That's actually really good. That's super good. Alright, since we're just out in all the snow, being so cold, and playing with the dog, and trying to build a mini snowman with our dog wrecking it, and then we just get a bunch of hot chocolate. It's honestly pretty nice. Where'd you get these again?
At a little store.
Huh. I don't know exactly where. I was about to say, go to this store and you can buy them.
Buffalo.
What?
Someplace in Buffalo. Buffalo, Missouri.
Okay, just somewhere there. I know it's not that helpful if you live somewhere near there. Ooh, did you see that? Whole chunk of chocolate. I'm trying to find it again, but it was like this big. Like the biggest chunk of chocolate I've ever seen. Okay, so I'm just gonna take another sip with the marshmallow this time. It's really good. Before we end this video, which is very soon, I'm gonna eat some of the chocolate off here. I wonder how it would taste. That's really good. Okay, if you guys liked this video, like, subscribe. I also want to say like and subscribe to QTube and L2 because I'm trying to get their YouTube channel to where I am, about 52 subs. Thank you, let's go. Got the doggo down here. I'm trying to bring him over here so we can get him on camera. What you doing, Pop? You look really cute. But yeah, like and subscribe if you want Mr. Doggo to be happy. And if you don't like and subscribe, Doggo's not gonna be happy. So, yeah. That's really good. Bye. Oh no! Open the mic when you see me. I'm a little everyday bug. You can't really see me that well, but I'm in there.